Good morning, students. Today's date is 24 December 2021. This is your worksheet number 39 for social science. Write your name, class, roll number on the top and name of the class teacher. Then do your worksheet. The topic for today's worksheet is devotional paths to the divine. Dear children, in the previous worksheets we read about many saints. Today we will know about Baba Guru Nanak and the religion he founded, that is Sikhism. इसका मतलब बेटा हम कई वर्कशीट्स से जो हैं डिवोशनल पार्ट टू द डिवाइन इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं। हमने कई संतों के बारे में पढ़ा, जैसे कबीर दास, शंकराचार्य और कई फिलोसफीज़ के बारे में पढ़ा जो भक्ति मूवमेंट पे बेस्ड थी। तो आज हम मेनली किन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे? गुरु नानक साहब के बारे में, जिन्होंने सिखिज़म की नींव रखी थी। बाबा गुरु नानक वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ सिखिज़म एंड द फर्स्ट गुरु ऑफ द सिक्स। तो पहले गुरु कौन थे सिक्स के? गुरु नानक जी। He was born in 1469 at Talwandi, Nankana Sahib in Pakistan. He emphasized the importance of the worship of one God. तो इन्होंने किस पर जोर दिया? एक ओमकार पे, मतलब कि सबका भगवान एक है, चाहे वो किसी भी धर्म, जाति या रिलीजन का हो, किसी भी कास्ट का हो, किसी भी क्रीड का हो, सबका भगवान एक ही है। He insisted that caste, creed, or gender was irrelevant for attaining liberation. He established a center, करतारपुर, डेरा बाबा नानक ऑन द रिवर ऑफ रवि। तो उन्होंने किसकी स्थापना की? करतारपुर डेरा की, जो कि रवि नदी के किनारे पे बसा है। A regular worship that consisted of the singing of his own hymns was established there for his followers. His followers, irrespective of the creed, caste, or gender, cook and ate together in the common kitchen called langar. तो लंगर की स्थापना भी हुई, जहाँ पे सभी धर्म, सभी जाति के लोग मिलकर बैठकर खाना बनाते हैं और साथ खाते भी हैं। द सेक्रेड स्पेस दस क्रिएटेड बाय बाबा गुरु नानक वॉज नोन एज धर्मसाल। इट इज़ नाउ नोन एज गुरुद्वारा। तो इसी प्रकार से गुरुद्वारा की शुरुआत हुई, जहाँ पे सब लोग मिलकर बैठकर कीर्तन करते हैं और लंगर बनाते हैं और खाते हैं। ही हिमसेल्फ यूज्ड द टर्म्स नाम, राइट वर्शिप, दान, welfare for others, and isnan, purity of conduct, for the essence of his teaching. His teachings are now remembered as नाम जपना, कीर्तन करना एंड वंद छकना। तो इन तीन चीज़ों की जो है स्थापना गुरु नानक जी ने करी। स्टोरी ऑफ द होली स्क्रिप्चर ऑफ द सिक्स, गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब। तो गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब क्या है? ये एक धार्मिक किताब है सिखिज़म की। Before his death in 1539, Baba Guru Nanak appointed one of his followers, Guru Angad, as his successor. तो उनके बाद जो है गुरु अंगद को उन्होंने अपना सक्सेसर बनाया। गुरु अंगद compiled the compositions of Baba Guru Nanak, to which he added his own in a new script known as Gurmukhi. The three successors of Guru Angad also wrote under the name of Nanak, and all of his compositions were compiled by Guru Arjan in 1604. To his compilation were added the writings of other figures like Sheikh Farid, Sant Kabir, Bhagat Namdev, and Guru Tegh Bahadur. In 1706, his compilation was authenticated by Guru Tegh Bahadur's son and successor, Guru Gobind Singh. It is known as Guru Granth Sahib, the holy scripture of the Sikhs. Social and political implications of Baba Guru Nanak's idea of equality. The number of Baba Guru Nanak followers increased through the 16th century under his successors. They belonged to a number of castes, but traders, agriculturists, artisans, and craftsmen and predominated, मतलब कि इनमें ट्रेडर्स वगैरह भी थे, क्राफ्टमैन थे, आर्टिशंस थे. This may have something to do with Baba Guru Nanak's insistence that his followers must be householders and should adopt productive and useful occupations. They were also expected to contribute to the general functions of the community of followers. They were also expected to contribute to the general funds of the community of followers. By the beginning of 17th century, the town of Ramdaspur, Amritsar, had developed around the central Gurdwara called Harmandir Sahib, Golden Temple. It was virtually self governing, and modern historians refer to the early 17th century Sikh community as a state within the state. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir looked upon them as a potential threat, and he ordered the execution of Guru Arjan in 1606. The Sikh movement began to get politicized in the 17th century, a development which culminated in the institution of Khalsa by Guru Gobind Singh in 1699. The community of the Sikhs called Khalsa Panth became a political entity. Now look at the questions. These all questions you answers you can find from worksheet. First question is, what were the major teachings of Baba Guru Nanak? यानी कि उनकी मेजर टीचिंग्स क्या थी वो आप लिखेंगे. सेकंड, हाउ वाज गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब कंपाइल्ड? गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब की कंपाइलेशन कैसे हुई? थर्ड, हाउ डिड द फॉलोअर्स ऑफ गुरु नानक इंक्रीज? गुरु नानक के फॉलोअर्स कैसे बढ़े? फोर्थ, हाउ डिड खालसा पंथ बिकेम अ पॉलिटिकल एंटिटी? यानी कि खालसा पंथ जो है एक पॉलिटिकल एंटिटी कैसे बनी? सो दिस इज़ योर टुडेज वर्कशीट. Do it very neat and carefully in your notebook and send it in SST group. Apart from this, corona cases are on rise, so be very careful and keep following corona appropriate behavior. Thank you.